right now we're just up at the cottage with the boys, getting a little paddle in. Let's check our looks from the sky. We're just out here, nice relaxing night up at the cottage with the boys, getting a couple brews in, getting some fishing in, casting out the lines. Super relaxing. Lac Notre Dame in Quebec, one of the most beautiful lakes in the region. I'm super happy to have the opportunity to come up here fairly often, and I've just had such an amazing time, and this night is going to be unbelievable. I just want to say it's been a beautiful couple days up here at the cottage, and I'm so happy to have this new kayak. It's a great workout for your shoulders, deltoids, and I'm really just relaxed right now. We're dealing with this COVID situation, and this really helps relax me and take my mind off of it. So I recommend going out into the country. It's so peaceful. You can look up at the stars at night. You can go out on the water. If you have a boat, go on a boat. But this is the life. I love this, and I highly recommend it.
I'm probably good for the night now.